washing my hair, and then she'll be doing twist again. I'll be back soon. Bye. We removed my twist, and now we are going to untangle my hair. Bye.
So I start by spritzing some water on her hair just to help with the detangling because it was twists. The detangling was quite a crazy process. So again, I do it on each section after sectioning it into 4, and then I start finger detangling first because I'm not trying to break her hair by going straight in with a comb. So I go on to finger detangle and then make sure each strand, the twists kind of form tiny little strands that gather together. So make sure your hands separate those and be sure to take your time. So the secret to ensuring that kids have a less stressful wash day is detangling before you do the washing or whatever you want to do after you wash it. So please, mommies and daddies, detangle your kids' hair. After I'm done detangling with my fingers, I go in with the wide tooth comb and I start from the tips, as I've mentioned before. Don't go to the roots trying to detangle the hair. We don't do that here. Yes, I go in with the comb, building up. Then the hair was starting to feel dry, so I went in with some water again. Then I continued to detangle with the comb. As you can see, this is such a painless process for her. She's just chilling. Don't be fooled by the eyes. She's okay. Yeah.
While we tangle my hair, Mommy will be asking me a few questions that I will be answering. My favorite thing about my hair is that I love it and it's big and puffy.
It's getting
It's
puffy.
long. It's long and it's big and puffy. Stella.
Della.
Stella.
Stella. Why?
I just like it.
You like the name Stella?
Yes. Another name I would call it Mama.
Mama.
Big Mama.
Ah, I like it. I like Big Mama.
I would tell them, don't chop your hair up because if it you can take care of it. Even if you don't like your hair, you can take care of it, and then your hair will be beautiful. And then you'll be saying that my hair is beautiful. Thanks for the advice, Sophie. I will never chop down my hair again. I tell that you should spray it. Use the right kind of spray. You should always wash your hair. Never make it dry. It cannot be dry. You have to always wash your hair. Make it dry. And you always brush your hair. And detangle it. My favorite hairstyle is plaiting. Braids. When I grow up, I should always be taking care of my hair. And I think you should be doing it too. All these people who are watching right now, I think they should do the same thing too. They should take care of your little daughter's hair. You should always wash your little daughter's hair. You should, and it shouldn't be dry. What? And I want to ask you a question, and I hope you can answer. Why is sometimes your girl's hair, their hair is short and dry, or maybe you want to cut it off? I want to ask that question.
Okay, so fast forward to detangling the last one, and now I'm just twisting it up and we will proceed to do the washing. Okay, so we're going to use the main choice is shampoo and conditioner. So we just start by wetting her hair. So I put a generous amount of shampoo in her hair, and then I just massage her scalp and section it so that I get my hands on every part of her scalp. Run the product through her hair and then I rinse it out. I now go in with the leave-in conditioner. I apply a generous amount as well, and I just put it on her hair strands. Then I put it all in one twist, and then I proceed to the next section. So I start by pouring some water over and I go straight in with the shampoo. I do the same thing. I massage her scalp with the shampoo just to get and make sure that her scalp is clean. And then I also do her hair strands. Do you see her lovely hair? She's got such beautiful hair. Then I proceed to wash it. This was a super quick wash day because her hair wasn't as dirty. So if your hair is dirty, please go ahead and wash your hair twice. I then went in with conditioner, which I apply. This is a leave-in conditioner, so there's no need to rinse it out. And then I tie it up and we are done.
Hi everybody. We just finished washing. We put live-in conditioner, and now we will be twisting.